Hey everyone, myself Sampath. I am with Hyundai since few years. I strongly recommend dry wash instead of going for the water wash, because if you are giving the car for the water wash, at least 180 liters to 200 liters you are wasting it. Okay, to save the water, because you can see on a regular basis so many companies are promoting the save water campaigns. So I strongly recommend that. So go for the dry wash. You can save the water. At the same time you will see your vehicle like this. So go for it, and I congratulate Hyundai for promoting this and strongly implementing this. Thank you.